Hello everyone and welcome to Hit the Mark Trading's Daily US Dollar Index Review. My name is Martin Rimes. Today's date is Monday, November 18, 2013. Want to ask you to please check out hitthemarktrading.com. While you're there checking out all the great things we do and all the happy clients, sign up for weekly blog updates. Okay? Sign up for Rooster Call. Rooster Call is my morning overnight look, a very brief write-up, what the trader needs to know as far as I'm concerned as we start our day. Now it's very brief so that you can read this without getting bogged down. I am assuming you have done your research the night before. So Rooster Call is going to tell you, hey, okay, we're in something or something triggered, or it'll show you what I think is important from the fundamental perspective, okay, from the news wires. I send this out to clients for free, and I send it to you for free if you are interested. Now, remember, everything I mention in this recording is for your educational purposes only. Please do not construe anything I mention as an offer to buy or sell any type of US dollar futures or options on futures or forex pairs. Now, on the daily chart, remember we talked about we were expecting a drop down to the moving average. Hey, we got it today. We are at a very interesting point because we are either going to start a new trend now that we've touched this, or we look at the weekly chart, and the weekly chart says, you know what? We're going to resume existing trend. So we've got to see this play out. Okay, we've got to see it play out. We've got a strong trend to the downside, so our bias based on the weekly is for continued lower action. How do you resolve what to do? Well, let me go back to the daily. All right, what I suggest you do is if we see the US dollar go lower than today's low, then I would expect that we are going to see a drop all the way down to this channel line around 80.30, 80.30, okay, with potential to start the deeper drop. The deeper drop would take us down to 79,500, okay. So if you're wondering, well, gosh, how do I get in? Should I get in? Understand that we basically are sideways, trying to figure out, are we going to have a new trend up or not? We expected a hit here. We expect a hit down here. But at this point in time, this hit at the moving average is the most important. So I would just say a close below today's low, the low of Monday, is reason to go short. Otherwise, if this holds, this is one of our more reliable signals, is to expect a move higher, in which case I want to see a move above Friday's high, and then I'm ready to say we are going to town. We are going up here and testing 81.88. Okay, so let me just draw a line here. All right, so the indicator, if the indicator breaks through the red line, that's our signal as well. Okay. All right, very good. Let's just check in with the range bar chart, the 10-tick range bar chart. Well, we had a line drawn here, and goodness me, but did we touch it or did we touch it? Look at that. So we had already talked about that if we start moving down, we expect this to occur, right? First here and then here. Well, we touch this pivot point and jump right back higher, just right back up, okay? Now, I hope you understand that these moves were expected, okay? That's part of what makes your trading relaxed. And I also hope you understand at no point am I looking at anything like order volume or any kind of a market profile or anything. It's just simple kitchen table type thinking. Do not overcomplicate. Okay? Very good. Now, we've come up, we're testing on the range bar chart. So we'll be looking for what is price going to do here. I think it would be important if we see if we see a breakout through this red line, okay, that would suggest we're going to come right back up here to the 81 area and potential higher. How high? Back up here. You see price for some reason loves this channel it's in. It just loves it. Okay? So when we're in a channel, what do? We bang up and down. Very good. Don't overcomplicate this now. If we break to the downside, yes, we are going lower, and your sell signal for a swing trade is the break of this low. Okay? I'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a great evening.